Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drink collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are small, easily digestible protein fragments that support your body's natural functions. They are a fantastic way to boost your overall wellness, helping to maintain healthy skin, strong hair, and flexible joints. Understanding what they are is the first step to incorporating them effectively into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Mixing collagen peptides is incredibly simple. You can add 1 to 2 scoops to almost any beverage, whether it's your morning coffee, a smoothie, or just a glass of water. They are designed to dissolve easily in both hot and cold liquids, making them versatile. Just give it a good stir, and you're ready to enjoy your collagen-infused drink without any fuss. There isn't a single best time to take collagen peptides. The most important factor is consistency. Whether you prefer it first thing in the morning, with a meal, or before bed, regular intake is key to seeing results. Some people find it beneficial to take it alongside vitamin C, as this can help with absorption and enhance its benefits for your body. For most people, starting with 5 to 10 grams of collagen peptides daily is a good baseline. You can gradually adjust this dosage based on your individual needs and how your body responds. Always listen to your body. Some may benefit from a bit more, while others find less is sufficient. Consistency and patience are your best allies for experiencing the full advantages of collagen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.